Our project today is installation of recessed lights trim. There is a easy way of installing it, and I'll show it to you. So this is the Halo recessed lights trim. I chose the wider trim, and this is the baffle. And to install onto these recessed lights, first there are two springs. Make sure they are sitting inside. So I'm going to show you the conventional way, which is pretty hard because once I set this in, okay, you have to insert that spring into those two tiny holes. So which is very hard to insert this tight spring. So the best way to do is remove the springs from the baffle. Okay, and I'll put it here, and then insert this spring inside the hole. Let me remove this bulb first. Okay, so do you guys see this? All right, so one in, and then I'm going to insert. So over here, look at the spring. Sometimes you need to bend it outward a little bit because sometimes the springs are bent inward too much. So we're gonna insert that here. Voila! So those two springs are now hanging. Next step is align the two holes with the springs above. Okay, and then pull the spring and insert to the baffle hole. Same on the other side. That's it. Now we're gonna test this. Put the light on. And yes, so make sure that the baffle and the flash and the trim is flashed, and the project is finished. So we have replaced all 7 recessed lights trim. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.